Okay, for activity 3, now we're going to solve equations using square roots. And the really nice thing is that solving equations using square roots is pretty much the same thing that you've done when you've solved equations. So if you look at the first one, example 1, a squared plus 15 equals 50. That means we're trying to figure out what number squared plus 15 is equal to 50. Well, first we want to get rid of this plus 15. The opposite of that is minus 15. So we minus 15 on one side, you have to do that to the other side, and when you do 50 minus 15, you get 35. Now, positive 15, negative 15 is gone, so I bring down the a squared. Okay, I want to know what is just a. So in order to figure that out, this is where we go what you did in activity 2, take the square root of a squared and the square root of 35. Square root of a squared is just a. And the square root of 35, if you use your calculator, 35, push the square root button, 5.91. 5.91. One thing that I can point out to you is this part right here. When you're trying to undo a number squared, to undo that you just take the square root, and that then just gives you the base of a. Okay, example 2, same thing, you're solving for a squared. You have to get that by itself. Okay, first thing you're going to do is the opposite of minus 82, which would be plus 82 and plus 82. When I do 139 plus 82, I get 221. My minus 82 plus 82 is gone, and I bring down a squared. Okay, then take the square root of a squared, that's a. Square root of 221. If you use your square root chart, you might be able to find it if it's a perfect square. Or if you do 221 square root, we can see it's 14.86. So a equals 14.86. Okay, you and your partner should do example 3 through 6 and then wait for the class so you can check your answers.